morning, everyone. Hello, good morning, everyone. Could you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. First of all, I want to ask you something for some information in this seminar. Very good afternoon to you. I want to welcome you here this morning to the 2020 Malang ICPM parallel session. My name is Ramon Panjaitan and I'm very excited and honored to chair this session. The presentation session is 60 minutes. There will be 5 until 6 presenters this morning in this session. Each presenter will have a limit of 10 minutes, including the presentation and discussion. Okay, first of all, I want to let you know who the speakers are. First will be introduce the speakers. Lisnawati from Syah Kuala University. The title of paper, Implementation of the Principal Entrepreneurial Competence in Building an Entrepreneur Culture in Man Model Banda Aceh. Okay. I think we have ready the presentation.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe we can start it. Okay.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon, everybody. For Mr. Raymond, thank you for the opportunity. Today, I would like to present my paper entitled Implementation of the Principal Entrepreneurial Competence in Building an Entrepreneurial Culture in Man Model Banda Aceh. Okay, for the introduction, the phenomenon that occurs in our country is the growth of entrepreneurial culture is still low. We need to be done to maximize education about entrepreneurship from an early age, both from the role of the family and the role of the school. Then, the Man Model Banda Aceh has a lot of potential that can be developed. Considering this school also has an innovation from student, namely Mansa Fertilizer. Next, the research objective was to determine how the principal entrepreneurial competence include entrepreneurship program, and then about application and obstacle in the implementation of entrepreneurship program by school principal. Next, about the research in the method in this research using descriptive qualitative approach with data collected using observation, interviews, and documentation. And then result and discussion. First, about entrepreneurial program. In this school, in Man Model, there are annual program and semester program available at the school, including Salem, and then Madrasah Expo, which is held every 2 years. And then the second, about application of entrepreneurship program. The entrepreneurship program in the Man Model Banda Aceh is still subject beside. This is insert into the subject of craftsmanship and entrepreneurship in learning this subject. This addition to the science of entrepreneurship, there are practice and theories, and then the product produced also very depending on the teaching teacher. In this case, teaching craftsmanship and entrepreneurship are economic, culture, art, physics, chemistry, and biology teacher. And the last, about the barrier on to the implementation of entrepreneurship program. For the first obstacle, is about lack of supporting facilities that can be used and utilized by students in developing and producing product. And then about there are limited classroom, so there are no special entrepreneurship galleries to display product or works products by student. And then the obstacle is there is no special teacher for the subject that handcrafting and entrepreneurship. And then the last, the obstacle in implementation of entrepreneurship program is limited time, therefore to develop the skill. And the last is conclusion. First, the only program related to entrepreneurship created by the principal was a school subject, namely Prakarya Kewirausahaan or Handcrafting and Entrepreneurship, that has produced many works. In this case, the principal entrepreneur competent has not sufficiently provide necessary innovation. Second, the implementation of the program related to entrepreneurship was not only based on the Prakarya and Kewirausahaan subject, include theories and practice taught by the teacher, and the innovation method was influenced by the educational background of the teacher teaching the subject. And the last, the obstacle encountered by the principal in creating entrepreneurial culture in school were associated with a lack of human resource facilities and time, therefore, to develop the skill. Okay, I think enough for my presentation.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Lisnawati. I think your presentation is clear.
Yes, sir.
And then maybe we can start to the last second presenter. So we invite, let me see the list. From Roni Akbar, Institution SBM ITB, the title of paper, Proposed Digital Marketing Strategy for Muslim Women's Fashion Brand, Ara Style. I think the Roni Akbar is here.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you hear? Sorry. Hello. Am
Okay.
I audible?
Okay. Maybe Mr. Roni Akbar can start the presentation.
Yeah. So here, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Here I want to present my research about proposed digital marketing strategy for Muslim women fashion brand case study Ara Style. First one is introduction, which is the market share of Muslim fashion in Indonesia. In Indonesia population, 87% are Muslim, with the total population around 229 million are Muslim, and 115 million are women. So this is the big industry. If we targeted the Muslim, and then Muslim fashion industry in 2019, in the the first quarter rose by 29.1911, and this is the data from Ministry of Trade in 2018. Internet penetration. Internet has changed the lifestyle and behavior of Indonesian people, which the total population of internet penetration around 222.1 million. So the population of female is around 50%. So it's like 50-50 with the male population, and and if we targeted Muslim fashion, it can growth by 18.2% annually, supported by online and offline. Here is the our style profile. It's SMA, Muslim fashion brand, starting from 2016 until now. And it's in-house production and self-manufactured, store at Blok B Tanah Abang. Here is the preliminary analysis, which from the first initiated, it's increased, but in the 2019 it decreased. So decreasing almost 30% compared with the previous year. Pre-enrollment analysis from the data that researcher got from interview to the sales employee. It was because the building is often closed in 2019, and then the number of visitors decreases, and then dependency of sales through in-store transaction, only from in-store transaction. And then our style, the problem statement here, our style only selling activities, prioritizing on offline channels. Okay, and then the research question is, who is the style customer persona, how to do effective digital marketing, and how to implement the strategy. The research objective, identify our style customer persona, design and analyze the effective digital marketing strategy based on the customer persona of our style, and then this is the research limitation. Due to COVID pandemic, the number of respondents are not sufficient enough, but it consists internal of the company, existing customer, and new potential customer. And then business issues exploration. In this method, in this research, the researcher using framework of discipline from entrepreneurship by Bill Aulet, which it using full life cycle use case analysis, and then go to the competitive position and formulating digital marketing strategies using 5A channels. Then marketing segmentation. There's the STP of the ARA style customer, geographic, demographic, geographic, and personality. In the personality, user status, existing customer and new potential customer, benefit, hardcore loyal customer, split loyal customer, and borderline loyal customer. Demographic is around 19 until 42 years old. Religion is Muslim. And then the target market, here is the geographic, is more targeted to the Jabodetabek area and urban and suburban cities. And the personality more focused to existing customer and still new potential customer. And then the customer orientation, Muslim fashion enthusiast. And the position of in STP, our style is on the smart casual. The strength of our style in smart casual and natural color, which is in the right corner, not and then here is the customer persona of our style. The Hanifa, 28 years old, pregnant for her baby and have own income. Here is the full life cycle use case worksheet. The first one is how to determine need and catalyze to take action, and then find out the option, how the customer persona analyze the option, and then how she acquired the product, how she pay, and then who is involved, when and where, and how. The customer persona determined, and until the customer persona, how they tell others, it's analyzed in here, and then you get, and then the competitive position. The competitive position of our style is between between Ian, Zaharani, which Zaharani, and then Four Season Hijab. Between Ian looks relaxed but suitable for casual and formal and open opportunity for resellers. This is the competitor of our style. And then after the researcher research the key uses of the ARA style, our researcher got some points that ARA style issues are awareness of target customer, communication, and sales channel. And then from the interview, ARA style lack of the promotion content, and then customer service approach, and late customer purchase decision, and trusted payment. So this issue can be tackled by using creative digital content to tackle awareness of target market of target customer, and then influencer collaboration, Instagram ads, and Google, using Google My Business, and communication and sales channel. Our style can use Shopee for the sales channel and communication, Instagram and WhatsApp promotion content, using digital promotion, Instagram ad, creative digital content, and customer service approach. Our style should use WhatsApp, especially WhatsApp for business, and then trusted payment, using e-payment, and the customer of RSL like using Shopee for the payment, Shopee Pay, and then business solution. Here's the 5A approach, which is popular touch point and channels. There is aware, appeal, ask, act, and advocate. How the customer is starting from aware the products until how the customer advocate the product to the others people. And here is the mapping touch point and channel. There is channels, how they interact by sales and communication, which is from aware until to advocate. And the communication channel strategy. The steps are aware, using referrals by existing customer also can be used, and then do collaboration with influential people on social media. Appeal, how to provide clear information about description of product and using relevant picture of products. Ask up-to-date information about the product and the overt in Instagram, WhatsApp, and Shopee. And act, how RSA propose clear information payment option. Advocate, how RSA giving a customer like coupon or referral and discount payment. This is sales channel strategy, using Shopee account, e-payment activation, and create digital promotion. And conclusion, based on the result of the research, the customer persona of our style are Muslim fashion enthusiasts, workaholic internet user, and online shoppers, which have income from their own salary or husband income, and then using the 5A. Our style need to prepare to penetrate the digital channels related that analyzing from the customer path. in some to create a better improvement in the digital strategy, our style need to be able to keep with the customer journey of the persona. That's all. Thank you. That's all. Hello. Hello. Mr. Raymond, I cannot hear you because you still muted.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm mute. Okay, thank you, Mr. Akbar. Your presentation is clear. And then we continue to the third speaker. Let me see who's the list, the name. The third speaker is Mr. Muhammad Rozi Rinjayadi, institution from University of Indonesia. Title of paper, Evaluation of Toll Road Infrastructure Development Project using Learn Enterprise to Improve Business Performance. Okay, time is yours, Mr. Muhammad.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Raymond.
Okay.
I share the presentation screen. Sorry, I'm still processing. Sorry, Mr. Raymond, due to technical issue, I have to leave the breakout room and then I will go inside again because of the
maybe we
presentation issue.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Pak.
Okay, maybe we can continue the presentation another speaker because trouble with Mr. Roni, what's the name? Muhammad Rozi. So we can start continue the presentation from Niputuayu Cynthia Saraswati. Is here?
Yes.
Okay.
Man.
Institution from University Ma Saraswati Denpasar. Title of paper, The Mediation Effect of Organization Commitment in the Relation, Organization Culture, and Employee Performance. Okay, time is yours, Miss Niputu.
Okay, good afternoon and thank you to Mr. Rahman Panjaitan and good afternoon to all presenters. I will explain the research about the effect of organization culture on employee performance with organization commitment intervening variable at BPRTIS Batu Bulan. PT BPRTIS Batu Bulan is one of public credit bank which has a legal entity in the form a limited liability company. As a credit bank, PT BPRTIS Batu Bulan has an activity function similar to other credit banks, that is to provide credit or loan activities to individuals and companies with small and medium scale economics. Like other banking companies, PT BPR always dream of increasing income. One of the performance indicator is the quantity of work, in this case in income. The table show that of the 40 employees in 2019, it turned out that BPR was unable to meet the predetermined revenue target. The monthly target has never been achieved. where the Higgins target was 97.59% in August and lowest 81.57% in January. This is an important phenomenon in performance given the company's goal is to obtain optimal income. The research method location, the research was conducted at the PT BPR TIS Batu Bulan is located on Jalan Raya Batu Bulan number 27 Sukawati District, Gianyar Regency. And then in the study, organization culture is exogenous variable, while employee performance is an endogenous. In the study, organization commitment is independent variable, and then the population 40 people. The result and discussion. The number one, the result of this test, the hypothesis one, which states the organization culture has a positive effect on employee performance at PT BPR TIS Batu Bulan is acceptable. And then for the result of this test proof the hypothesis two, which states that organization culture has a positive and significant effects on organization commitment at PT BPR. And then hypothesis 3, organization commitment has a positive and significant effect on employee performance of PT BPR. And the research of 4, which state the organization commitment can be an intervening variable in the influence of organization culture and employee performance at PT BPR TIS Batu Bulan in acceptable. Conclusion, the number one, organization culture has a positive and significant effect on employee performance at PT BPR TIS Batu Bulan. Organization culture has a positive and significant effect on organization commitment at PT BPR TIS Batu Bulan Gianyar. Organization commitment has a positive and significant effect on employee performance at PT BPR TIS Batu Bulan Gianyar. And the last, organization commitment can mediate the influence of organization culture on employee performance at PT BPR TIS Batu Bulan. Limitation, collecting data only once and in one location, so that is anticipated in the result cannot be released. And suggestion, the number one, regulatory indicator need to be improved. Therefore, it is necessary to have firms from superior influence applicable. And number two, for the next research, they can add independent variable that affect performance such as financial motivation. Thank you. Sudah Mr. Raymond.
Okay, thank you, Miss Cynthia Saraswati. I think it's done. Okay, maybe we will wait another last speakers, last participants, but it's not yet here. Mr. What's the name? Muhammad Rozi. Okay, wait a moment, please. I will ask to the panitia. Maybe he can explain some problem. Maybe to all the participants can back to the main Zoom if we can finish our. presentation. So maybe we can move. Okay, I think that's finished. So we can back to the main Zoom, and I'm still waiting for Mr. From University of Indonesia, because we don't have a decision yeah. Okay, so we can back again. Okay, thank you for all participants.
Thank you, Mr. Rim.
Okay, very well. Let me some information for us.
Collaborating with school equipment, building social and emotional relationships, developing.
Thank you for your interesting presentations. And this parallel session was finished. All participants, welcome back to the main Zoom room. Thank you for attention and see you. Thank you.
Values in school culture. Supervision was carried out together with school equipment.